Welcome back to my channel. So want to run C and C++ code easily in VS Code? Let's install two essential extensions. First, open VS Code and go to extensions on the left here. Search for C++ extension pack. I have already installed. Let me just uninstall it. I am reinstalling it. This extension gives you IntelliSense, code navigation and debugging for C and C++. Now the second extension which we have to install is Code Runner. So this will help you run C, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Perl and many more programming languages with just one click. So let me just show you. Here is hello.c. So when I click on this triangle, the terminal will be open and it will print the output. Now with C++ and it will print hello world. So with two easy extensions you can run the code very easily. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.